Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mayura Deshmukh, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. I welcome all the participants who have joined this course. Our today's topic is groundwater hydrology and its relation to other science. Now we will see what is groundwater. The groundwater means the water present beneath Earth's surface in soil, pore spaces, and in the fractures of rock formations. It's called as a groundwater. Then we will see water resources. On the whole Earth's surface, the 97.2% is oceanic water and 2.8% is drinking water. This water is divided into three parts: 2.0% glacier, 0.25% lake, and underground water is 0.5%. On whole Earth surface, the underground water is only 0.5%. Now we will see characteristics of groundwater. The groundwater is free from pollution like plant organism, bacteria, etc. Then groundwater is a more uniform in nature, like in quality, temperature, chemical composition, and soluble mineral content. Then groundwater is a less expensive. Then groundwater is a superior source of water supply. And last characteristic is turbidity and color are absent. These are the different characteristics of groundwater. Then now we will see advantages of groundwater. The first advantage is for agriculture. The groundwater is very important component for grow the crops. Then second is for drinking. The groundwater is very important for very essential part of our life for humans and animals. Then where low available surface water, in such cases the groundwater is only one alternative and dependable source. Like in summer season also, the river or ponds may dry. That times groundwater is the only one alternative. Then next advantages are for industrial purposes, then for civil engineering constructions, then for domestic animals, and last advantage is that key to life in semi arid and arid region. These are the different advantages of groundwater. Now we will see what is hydrology. Hydrology means hydro means water and logy means science. Hydrology. Hydrology means the science of water. The definition is that it is the science that deals with the occurrence, circulation, and distribution of water of the earth and earth atmosphere. Then hydrology is divided into two parts: surface water hydrology, groundwater hydrology. Surface water means the water above the earth's surface. See, in this figure we can see the water above the earth's surface is called as a surface water, and water below the earth's surface is called as a groundwater. Surface water hydrology, above the earth's surface, study of water, and groundwater hydrology means study of the below the earth's surface water. Now scope of hydrologist. The main duties of hydrologists are locating proper site for borewell and dugwell. Then next duty is that help in mining activities. It is also main role, like find out water where it is needed or exist. Then for engineering projects like constructions of tunnels, dam, reservoirs, etc. Then next duty is that for environment purposes, to avoid future groundwater contamination and restoration of water quality in aquifers. The next role is that hydrologists are included in water resource management, plantation organization, and planning companies. Then next duties is that interpreting water resource areas, and next scope is that in agriculture agencies. These are the different scope of hydrologists or different duties of hydrologist. Now we will see the relation between hydrology and science. Okay, this is the tree of science. Okay, then the tree has different branches of science like chemistry, physics, biology, earth science, former science. These are the main branches of science. Okay, now how to these branches are related to hydrology. First start from chemistry. How to related hydrology with chemistry or chemistry related with hydrology. In hydrological study, the application of chemistry to study the groundwater chemistry. Okay, then physics, the application of physics for hydrological study. It is called as a, that branch is also called as a hydrophysics, the study physical properties of the earth. Then next biology, to understand biological properties of earth. Then earth science, study of earth crust and groundwater resources. Then formal sciences. Formal sciences means mathematics, logics. Okay, in groundwater polluted problems we use mathematics. Okay, using mathematical models to solve groundwater pollution problems. Now we will see in next slide, the hydrology is related to different branches of science. Okay, these are the number of different branches of science like geology, physics, oceanography, volcanology, glaciology, chemical sciences or chemistry, then physics, agriculture, geography, meteorology. These are the different branches of these are the different branches of science. Okay, now we will start from geology. The relation between hydrology and geology is that the we use the application of geology to study hydrological study of earth or area. It is called as a hydrogeology. Then physics, we use the application of physics to study hydrological study of earth or area is called as a physical hydrology. Then forest and watershed science, we use the application of these sciences for hydrological study of area is called as a forest watershed hydrology. Then oceanography, we use the application of oceanography for hydrological study is called as a coastal hydrology. Then volcanology, glaciology, we also use this application of these sciences for hydrological study. Then chemical sciences, we use the application of chemistry for hydrological study of earth is called as a chemical hydrology. Then urban resources, urban hydrology, then transportation, then agriculture, it is the one of the main branch. Then application of agriculture to study the hydrological study of farm or earth, it's called as a agrohydrology. Then geography, the application of geography used for the hydrological study of earth, it called as a geographical hydrology. These are the different branches of science related with hydrology. On the basis of this relation, the hydrology is divided into number of branches. We will see the main branches of hydrology. The main branches are as follows, like hydrogeology. It is one of the main branch of hydrology. It is hydrogeology means that deals with the distribution and movement of groundwater in the soil and rocks of the earth crust. Then chemical hydrology means study of chemical characteristics of water. Then hydroinformatics means the adoption of information technology to hydrology and water resource applications. Then hydrometeorology is the study of the transfer of water and energy between land and water body surfaces and lower atmosphere. Then next is isotope hydrology is the study of isotopic signatures of water. Then applied hydrology means the study of hydrological cycle. Then engineering hydrology deals with the planning, design and operation of engineering projects. Then drainage basin management, water quality. Then hydrogeophysics deals with the use of geophysical measurements for mapping subsurface features. Then estimating properties and monitoring process that are important to hydrological study. These are the different branches of hydrology. Now these are the differences. Thank you.